Okay, so it's the 6th of February. It's a lovely sunny afternoon on the land, and we are going to be concentrating on this area again. So we were here yesterday and I really went at it with the brush cutter. I'm putting that down to just really wanting to get on and get onto the fun stuff like planting trees and mulching, but also I did actually forget it was the full moon in Leo yesterday. I'm a Leo, so perhaps that's given me a little bit of extra pizzazz for the last couple of days. So it's so nice and warm here that I think I'll be able to work without my puffer jacket on, which is great. So yeah, we're just going to keep chipping away at all this bramble thatch over there. So I know that Kate did a very brief post on our Facebook page about the brambles. I know some people would say, well, just leave them, you know, they produce fruit, they are good for nesting birds. And yes, that is true. But at this extent, considering that this whole field, this 1 acre plot was full of them, there was nothing else growing. If you allow them to become too rampant, they will kill off everything else in the garden or on the field. So what we're going to do, we'll take away the native brambles. We're planting some thornless varieties so birds can still get some berries and they'll spread those seeds, but also we'll be replacing it with plenty of native trees, fruiting trees and shrubs. So there will be a nice supportive system for the reintroduction of various native species, and we will definitely see a success rate in terms of the population here. So the natural biodiversity will actually, in the long run, be better for it. So we're just going to be working on that today. Kate will continue barrowing the brown stuff, mainly bracken that's died back, and putting it into the tyres here. So yes, that's the job for today, and I'm sure Kate will be showcasing a brief video of me actually brush cutting, just so you can see how difficult it is and the challenge that we're facing with the slope and just the general environment that we're working in. So that's it for now, and I'm sure I'll pick up some things that might be worth sharing on another video, but for the time being I will leave it there.